Did you enjoy the activity earlier? How many points did you get? Enter your score on our chat box. Do you want more engaging activity like that? Don't forget to follow our Facebook group, join our Facebook group, and keep updated. Again, welcome to Mathematics class with Michy. Now, before we proceed, please take note of these 3 reminders. Learn, participate, and engage. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to review parallelogram, identify properties of parallelogram, apply properties in solving for the parts of a parallelogram. When you heard the word parallelogram, what comes first into your mind? Have you heard it before? Do you have any idea about parallelogram? Let's see. Parallelogram is a flat sheet with opposite sides parallel and equal in length. When we say parallel, these are the sides which do not intersect or segment which do not intersect. So, hindi sila nag-meet. Wala silang intersection point. Okay? Siyempre, we have here equal in length means equal in measure. Okay. The question is, where are the 2 pairs of parallel sides in the given parallelogram? Can you show it? Trace it? Of course, yes, but I cannot see it because hindi naman nakikita dito yung finger nyo while pointing these sides. Okay. We have here parallelogram CHR or parallelogram chart. Where are the 2 pairs of parallel sides? Sabi natin, parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel sides. Okay. First pair, we have side HA is parallel to side CR. Ayan. Nakikita nyo ngayon sa illustration na to. And then, this symbol means parallel yung side natin. So, the first pair of parallel side. Next, we have here side CH is parallel to side AR. Ito na yung second pair ng parallel side ng parallelogram natin. Okay? So, we have here isa lang and then dalawa na. Okay? Next, where are the 2 pairs of equal sides? We have here side CH is congruent to side AR and side HA is congruent to side CR. So, ito naman yung symbol na nagpapakita ng congruency ng sides ng parallelogram natin. Ma'am, bakit may isa? Bakit may dalawa? So, this means kapag isa lang, this is the first pair of equal side. And then kapag dalawa, this is the second pair of equal side. Okay. Next, let's have a short activity. Observe the following parallelogram and tell what property is being described by the illustration. Let's start with number 1. Observe the illustration. Okay. So letter A, 2 opposite sides are congruent. B, 2 opposite angles are congruent. C, diagonals bisect each other. D, consecutive angles are supplementary. Or E, diagonals form 2 congruent triangles. Let's see. Very good. The correct answer is letter A. 2 opposite sides are congruent. 2 opposite sides of parallelogram are congruent. As you can see, we have here side AB which measures 6 units. And then we have here side BC, which measures 6 units. So magkapareha sila, and they are opposite sides. And then we have here side BC, which measures 7 units, and then side AB, which measures 7 units also. Congruent means equal in measure. Second, ano kaya yung dinidescribe ng illustration natin? Enter your answer on our chat box. Okay. Very good. The correct answer is letter B. Two opposite angles are congruent. As you can see, we have here 65 degrees in this angle, and then the opposite of it, we have here 65 degrees also. And then another pair, we have 115 degrees, and then the other side, or rather the other angle, we have 115 degrees. Next illustration, is it A, B, C, D, or E? What's your answer? Great. We have letter E. Diagonals form two congruent triangles. So, we have here the diagonals, or rather diagonal. Ayan. And then, meron siyang symbol ng congruency, which means these diagonals form two congruent triangle. Ayan. Next, we have number 4. Ano yung pinapakita ng illustration nito? Bakit meron tayong angle B plus angle C equals 180 degrees and angle A plus angle B equals 180 degrees? Ano yung relationship meron yung angle B at angle C? Ganon din yung relationship ng angle A at angle B. Is it A, two opposite sides are congruent, B, two opposite angles are congruent, C, diagonals bisect each other, D, consecutive angles are supplementary, E, diagonals form two congruent triangles? Enter your answer on our chat box. Let's see. The correct answer is letter D. Consecutive angles are supplementary. When we say consecutive angles, okay, so sabi dito, two angles are supplementary when they add up to 180 degrees. Or we have here consecutive angles. Ano ba yung consecutive angles? Yung magkasunod. Ibig sabihin, kabaliktaran ng opposite natin, magkatapat yung sa opposite natin, and then we have consecutive, magkasunod. Last, we have here parallelogram E, F, H, G. Ano kaya yung pinapakita dito? Okay, we have letter C. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. How? As you can see in the illustration, ayan, nilagyan na natin ang point of intersection, which is point P. When we say bisect, it means dividing the line or the segment into two equal parts. We have here diagonal EH and diagonal GF. So, meron tayong measure of congruency or symbol of congruency. We have here G to P. Ayan, is congruent to P, side PF, or rather we have PF, segment PF. Next, we have here diagonal EH. Symbol of congruency, we have segment EP is congruent to segment PH. So meaning diagonals of parallelogram bisect each other. Now, always remember these properties of parallelogram. We have 5 properties of parallelogram. First, two opposite sides are congruent. Second, two opposite angles are congruent. Third, we have diagonals bisect each other. Fourth, we have consecutive angles are supplementary. And we have the last one, diagonals form two congruent triangles. Okay, let's continue this discussion in Google Jamboard. Relax and be excited.